Baldwinsville. We're right deep into the holiday season. And I gotta tell you, sometimes I don't feel like cooking dinner. I don't know about you. So in Baldwinsville, what are the top 5, or my personal 5, favorite takeout locations for dinner? It can mean pizza and it can mean food. So number 5, are you in the mood for Chinese? Because every now and then I love some Chinese food. China King, right here in Beeville, available for takeout. Sales Pizzeria. Now, I love their buffalo chicken salad. And the boys like calzones and all that other fun stuff. So you can get other things there. Pizza Man in Beeville is an excellent spot for pizza. Angry Garlic, if you feel like a burger. So is River Grill. Sammy Malone's, phenomenal. I think that's 5. In the mood for Mexican? Mia Ranchita. Yum. Their guac, bingo. Love it. So don't feel like cooking, want to do some takeout or some delivery? There are some great options here in Baldwinsville. Thanks, Beeville.